welcome to the channel everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a lovely, delicious roast chicken. So stay tuned. So here I have a medium size chicken, but what I'm going to do first, I'm going to make a paste. So I'll set this aside. Get yourself a garlic. Some thyme. Couple bits of rosemary. I'm gonna get some sea salt, cracked black pepper, this is some all-purpose season, which is my brand, olive oil, then we're gonna set that aside. So what I'm gonna do here now, I'm gonna get some coarse sea salt, put it in, rosemary, some thyme, garlic, spring onion, just break it up like this. So with this paste now, just rub them all over. So this is finished marinade up. What all I'm gonna do is just sprinkle some coarse sea salt over this, because they're gonna melt anyway when the heat catches it. So I'm gonna put it in the oven now at 200 degrees for 30 minutes and then turn it down after, let it cook through.